Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk import invoices on Xero. So first, you may want to head over to xero.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top corner of your screen, click on Sales, then click on Invoices. Now from here, click on the Import button. You will then be redirected to this page where you can start bulk importing invoices. So here you can also see steps in importing your invoices. So the first step is download their invoices template file just so you have a guide. Then next is copy your invoices into the template. Then once done, you can head over to step 3 and start importing the updated template file. Just click on the browse button, select the files to be imported. You will then be asked, would you like to update contact address details and is the unit amount field tax inclusive or exclusive? So just choose whatever is applicable. So to add a file, once again, just click on the browse button. Then once again, just select the file or the other files that you would like to import together. Then once done, head over and click on import. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!